my landing gear. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. Let's connect to lines. Blue line first. Electrical line next. Make sure they're not kinky or tangled or dragging against the catwalk. My red lines are always hard to put on, like that's why we having a hammer. There we go. Whew. Okay. Let's walk around our trailer and check it. Oh. Make sure our pen went in. Alright. Hold on. Let's check it. Let's check our trailer. We gotta slide tandems, I see. So we can slide while we still parked right here before we even pull off. Let's check our seal. 0491046 Okay. These trailers are all beat up. Look at them. Okay. Okay. Now let's lift this landing gear up.